The markets are heating up as we progress through the week with Philip Capital India's Wednesday Trading Whisper. This is Nikhil Raka and it is January 8, 2025. The Nifty attempted a recovery on Tuesday following Monday's significant fall but showed no strength to sustain any momentum. Despite supportive factors like positive cues from Wall Street, a softer US dollar, and a pause in crude oil's rally, the index remained range bound and managed to close in the green. Resistance at 23,800 continued to hold firm, with the Nifty reversing from a high of 23,795. It ended about 23,700 but closed nearly 100 points below its high and just 70 points above the day's low, reflecting a lackluster bounce. Broader markets performed relatively better, with the small cap index climbing over a percent and the mid cap index showing modest gains. While the benchmark indices appeared subdued, stock specific action dominated the trading activity, keeping the investors engaged. On the gainer side, ONGC rose after receiving a favorable brokerage upgrade, while Zomato emerged as a major loser due to concerns about rising competition in the quick commerce segment, which also weighed on Swiggy. Stocks like Zydus Life and Biocon saw notable moves driven by news flow. Globally, markets are watching key events, including the release of FOMC meeting on Wednesday, US non-farm payroll data on Friday, and significant bank earnings. Domestically, the domestic earnings season begins on January 9, with TCS kicking off their results for large cap IT companies and setting the tone for the benchmark index. India's first advanced GDP estimates for financial year 25 is placed at 6.4%, which will also influence market sentiment today. Looking ahead, a decisive break below 23,264 on the Nifty appears likely, while the index may consolidate or drift sideways in the near term. Any brief upward move could be viewed as an opportunity to sell, given the prevailing downtrend. That's the update for today. Thank you for joining us.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.